Using DataShare, you can build your own view of the SKUtrak data. In this Excel spreadsheet, we have a consolidated sales dashboard showing EPOS sales across 3 retailers. With just a couple of clicks, the spreadsheet is refreshed with the latest data, pulled directly from SKUtrak. The sales manager at Sweet Stuff's Foods wants to see sales across all 3 retailers by day, and then broken down by category, and also grouped by brand. We can then use the slicer to see the same charts for just a single retailer. You can create a personalized view of data without needing to navigate around SKUtrak, saving time and focusing on the data points that are most important to you and your business.